Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's the first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over at the allotment today. It's a beautiful day. We're having that kind of weather now where it's frosty and cold at night, -2, -3, but in the daytime we've got beautiful warm sunshine. Anyway, so it's time of the year now where we come to preparing our no-dig beds. Now generally, no-dig garden bed, what you do, 2 or 3 inches of compost over the top of the bed, spread that out. Generally what we'd use for that is a traditional rake. However, I've got something which I think is going to be a game changer. So I've had this company reach out to me called Signstek, and they've sent me this. It's a lawn leveler. Also be used for spreading compost on garden beds, levelling out garden beds, getting rid of mole hills on your lawn, that kind of thing. It comes in 3 sizes. They offered me any size that I wanted. There's the one I've got, there's one that's slightly wider, and there's one that's a bit fatter this way. I went for the middle one because my beds are about 1 metre wide, and so are my pathways. So, I'm going to open this out, give it a try on this bed here. Now I will put a link in the description to all 3 of different sizes of these. But first things first, let's get it unboxed. Okay, so I did actually film myself unboxing, however somehow the footage was lost. But I can say it was very well packed and got put together quite easily, and all the tools you need were in there with it. Okay, so it goes together very easily. They just all slide into each other like that, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to give this a test now. So I've got a garden bed here that I grew brassicas in last season. In fact, I just harvested the last of them at Christmas from a Christmas dinner. Sprouts, cabbage and a cauliflower. Now this year, that bed, I want to grow carrots and parsnips in it. So to that end, I want a nice layer of loose compost to plant into. So we're going to test this out, spreading a layer of compost on this bed. Let me show you. Now if you hear me grunting and groaning a little bit, on a dog walk yesterday, like an idiot, I ran up a really steep slope and I slipped. And I fell all the way down and I felt my shoulder pop out and pop back in. So my shoulder is an absolute clip today. I've got to lift these bags of compost. So you hear me grunting and groaning a little bit, that's why. I literally can't use this arm. I'm even struggling changing gears in the car. Not good. Anyway, this bed. Carrots and parsnips. So first things first, I'm going to weed it, and then I'm going to spread a nice layer of compost on that bed and test out this rake. Last year I dressed that bed with rotted cow manure. I planted carrots in it, but not a single seed germinated. I think it was because the soil was too rough in the cow manure. So I've skimmed a little bit off the top, planted potatoes in it. Now I have got my first early potatoes on already in the polytunnel. It's not too early, people, to plant first early potatoes if you've got a polytunnel. I planted mine on the 1st of February. Last year I planted in the middle of January. A very early harvest around May time. Compost is locally sourced as well. £5 a bag. Let's give this a go. Oh, there you go. Look at that. I would say that is a game changer. Look how even a level it gets the compost. Gets right in the corners as well. So there, simple as that, 1 minute. That's ready for my carrots and my parsnips. I'll also test it on wood chip, I think, for wood chip in my pathways. I'll show you in a minute. Right, I'll give you a quick look around. So this bed is my onion bed. I've got onion sets coming, they're going on soon. As you can see, the wind's caught that tarp. I'll give it a good weeding anyway. So that's going to have a layer of compost over the top. Here's my garlic. It's going to need straw mulch soon enough. These pathways are going to get re-wood chipped. I will be using that rake for doing that. I really can see the rhubarb was popping off. There's potatoes I've just planted. There's little Teddy. And in here you see that is all first early potatoes. These three is an experiment I'm actually doing for another video. One of them's got 1 seed potato, one's got 2, one's got 4. You'll see what the yield difference is. So subscribe if you want to see that. So there was a review of Signstek Rake and Lawn Leveler, kindly sent to me by them. So I didn't get paid, they sent me this for free to review it. So I'm definitely going to get some use out of that. It's a little bit early to prep the rest of my beds. And wait until a little bit later to do that, probably just before planting them. And we'll be using this, so you probably see it in future videos. It is linked in the description, all 3 different sizes, if you fancy one. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Have a good day.